Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify, and this is really easy to do. So let's choose a song to listen to. So I'm going to go over to my library on the bottom, and then choose Imagine Dragons or Tom Petty or even Sabaton. Then choose their song. Now, typically when you go to the play all feature right here, it's automatically going to be shuffling the playlist, so it won't go in order. So if you select this, it'll automatically shuffle. What you want to do is choose a song, and then when it starts playing on the bottom here, choose the title of the song, and you can see the shuffle is turned on right here. It's indicated by like green, and there's a small little dot under the shuffle icon. So simply touch it and it'll turn off, and this is what it looks like when shuffle is turned off. It's just white, and your song will be going in order now, and it won't be random throughout the playlist that you are trying to listen to. So it's very easy to do. If this quick little video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.